It's very easy to cheer up when you are greeted with enthusiasm by a loving dog. Studies prove that dog owners have more positive social interactions and that the presence of canine friends makes people happier when we interact with dogs. Our oxytocin levels shoot up. Since this is the hormone responsible for social bonding, this hormonal love injection boosts our psychological well-being. But what dog breed is the cutest? Check out our top 15 cutest dog breed. Number 15, the Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. The Cavalier is a small breed that originated in the United Kingdom. Since 2000, it has grown in popularity in the United States and ranks as the 19th most popular pure breed in America. They are sociable, affectionate, fearless, patient, playful, and adaptable dogs. Their colors vary from black and tan, tricolor, or ruby. If you are looking for a reliable little friend, the Cavalier is the way to go. Number 14, the Chihuahua is the smallest breed of dog and is named after the Mexican state of Chihuahua. There are two varieties recognized by the AKC and the UK Kennel Club, the smooth coat, smooth-haired, and the long coat, long-haired. Chihuahuas occur in virtually any color combination, from solid to marked or splashed. Their small size makes them delicate and vulnerable to injuries and attacks from larger animals. Like all dogs, they benefit from appropriate socialization and training. Number 13, the Chow Chow is a dog breed originally from northern China. Its name means puppy lion dog. The breed is known for a very dense double coat that is either smooth or rough. The coat may be shaded red, black, blue, cinnamon, or cream. Most commonly kept as pets, Chow Chows tend to display discernment of strangers and can become fiercely protective of their owners and property. If you are looking for a reliable friend with 4 paws, give the Chow Chow a try. Number 12, the Cocker Spaniel. The Cocker Spaniel have been found in art and literature for almost 500 years. It is noteworthy for producing one of the most varied numbers of pups in a litter among all dog breeds. The Cocker Spaniel is a sturdy, compact, well-balanced dog. It has a characteristic expression showing intelligence and alertness. The fur colors can come in black, liver brown, red golden with black or brown. Number 11, the French Bulldog. The French Bulldog is a breed of domestic dog bred to be companion dogs. They are stocky, compact dogs with a friendly, mild-mannered temperament. The breed is popular as a pet. In 2019, they were the second most popular registered dog in the United Kingdom and the 4th most popular dog breed in the United States. Like many other companion dog breeds, it requires close contact with humans. If left alone for more than a few hours, they may experience separation anxiety. If you are considering adopting a Frenchie, make sure you keep him company. Number 10, the Golden Retriever. The Golden Retriever is a medium-large dog. They are popular as a disability assistance dog, such as being a guide dog for the blind and a hearing dog for the deaf. Golden Retrievers are rarely choosy eaters, but require lots of exercise. The breed is fond of play, but also highly trainable. The temperament of the Golden Retriever is a hallmark of the breed and is described in the standard as kindly, friendly, and confident. Number 9, the Maltese. The Maltese is a breed of dog in the toy group. It was a lapdog favored by both the ancient Greeks and Romans, especially their children. Characteristics include rounded skulls, a black button nose, and brown eyes. The color of the coat is pure white. The Maltese is kept for companionship or for showing. It sure is a cute dog. Number 8, the Papillon. Papillons, French for butterfly, are very intelligent and self-assured dogs that have a very easy time learning new tricks. These dogs can be sociable with children and strangers, but are generally reserved around new people. They can also be socialized to get along well with other animals. The temperament of Papillons is that of a happy, friendly, adventurous dog. They are generally neither shy nor aggressive. Papillons can make excellent family dogs. 7. Miniature Pinscher. Min Pins are sturdy, compact dogs standing no more than 12 inches at the shoulder. The smooth, shiny coat comes in 2 shades of solid red, or chocolate and rust, or black and rust. The dark, slightly oval eyes and high-set ears help bring out a self-possessed big dog personality. Grooming is easy, as the smooth, short-haired coat requires little attention. Miniature Pinschers are for experienced dog owners. The Min Pin is an assertive, outgoing, active, and independent breed. They need a fenced yard to run in, and they make great agility dogs. Number 6, the Pomeranian. Also known as Pom, it is a breed of dog of the Spitz type. Classed as a toy dog breed because of its small size, the Pomeranian is descended from larger Spitz-type dogs. The breed has been made popular by a number of royal owners since the 18th century. They are compact but sturdy dogs with an abundant textured coat with a highly plumed tail. While grooming is not difficult, breeders recommend that it be done daily to maintain the quality of the coat and because of its thickness and a constant shedding, with trimming every 1 to 2 months. Pomeranians are typically friendly. Number 5. The Pug. The Pug is a breed of dog with physically distinctive features of a wrinkly, short-muzzled face and curled tail. In the United Kingdom, in the 19th century, Queen Victoria developed a passion for pugs which she passed on to other members of the royal family. Pugs are known for being sociable and gentle companion dogs. The American Kennel Club describes the breed's personality as even-tempered and charming. Pugs are strong-willed but rarely aggressive and are suitable for families with children. They also tend to have a snoozy nature and spend a lot of time napping. Pugs are often called shadows because they follow their owners around and like to stay close to the action. Number 4. The Samoyed. The Sami is a breed of medium-sized herding dogs with thick, white, double-layer coats. Samoyed eyes are usually black or brown and are almond in shape. The Samoyed tail is one of the breed's distinguishing features. Like the Alaskan Malamute, the tail is carried curled over the back. The breed is characterized by an alert and happy expression which has earned the nickname Sami Smile and Smiley Dog. But when Samoyeds become bored, they may become destructive or start to dig. Number 3. The Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is a Japanese breed of hunting dog. A small, alert and agile dog that copes very well with mountainous terrain and hiking trails, the Shiba Inu was originally bred for hunting. The Shiba's frame is compact with well-developed muscles. The Shiba is double-coated, with the outer coat being stiff and straight, and the undercoat soft and thick. Fur is short and even, on the fox-like face, ears, and legs. Shibas tend to exhibit an independent nature. Overall, the Shiba Inu is a healthy dog breed. Number 2. The Shih Tzu. The Shih Tzu is a toy dog breed, developed in Tibet. The Shih Tzu is a sturdy little dog with a short muzzle and large dark brown eyes. They have a soft and long double coat. The traditional long silky coat, which tends to reach the floor, requires daily brushing to avoid tangles. Shih Tzu's temperament varies from dog to dog. The breed has a personality and temperament that is loyal, affectionate, outgoing, and alert. The Shih Tzu comes in a range of colors that include various shades of gold, white, brown, and black. Number 1. The Yorkshire Terrier. The Yorkshire is one of the smallest dog breed of terrier type, and of any dog breed. The breed developed during the 19th century in Yorkshire, England. Yorkshire Terriers are very playful and energetic dogs. Many people, who have a Yorkie as a pet, have too, because they often have separation anxiety when left alone, and they don't enjoy being alone. Though small, the Yorkshire Terrier is active, very protective, curious, and fond of attention. Yorkshire Terriers are an easy dog breed to train. This results from their own nature to work without human assistance. They are naturally smart and quick to learn, with many being food or praise motivated. These were the top 15 cutest dog breeds. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay tuned for daily videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.